Good morning, students. Today, let us discuss sales forecasting. What is sales forecasting? Forecasting means estimation of quantity, type, and quality of future work. For example, here sales. Then, for any manufacturing concern, it is very necessary to assess the market trends sufficiently in advance. Accurate sales forecasting is essential for a business house to enable it to produce the required quantity at the right time. In other words, sales forecast is an estimate of the sales potential of the firm in future. So we can say that sales forecasting is an attempt to determine the volume of sales which can reasonably be expected at some future dates. Or it is an intellectual act of estimating the sales potential of a firm or company. That is, we can say that a sales forecast is an estimate of the amount of sales for a specified future period under a proposed marketing plan or program. Or sales forecasting can be defined as an estimate of sales in terms of money or physical units for a specified future period under a proposed marketing plan or program and under an assumed set of economic and other forces outside the unit for which the forecast is made. It is the primary planning document in every organization, or it is the focus of integrative planning. In simple words, we can say that sales forecasting indicates how much a company with a given amount of resources then sell. So, it is a part of sales potential. So, we can say that sales forecasting is concerned with future sales. It is done by analyzing the past and present events, and the quality of sales forecasting depend on the reliability of information. That is, the forecasting depend upon past or present events or information, and it depend upon the reliability of information. And sales forecast can be made for short term as well as long term, and the data for forecast can be collected from internal as well as external sources. Then, what are the importance of sales forecasting? It helps to determine production volumes considering availability of facilities like equipment, capital, manpower, space, etc. So we can determine the production volume. That is one of the importance of sales forecasting. It enables to determine the production volumes. And secondly, it forms a basis of sales budget, production budget, and a natural budget. And it helps in taking decision about the planned expansion and changes in production mix, or should it divert its resources for manufacturing other products. And as well as it helps in deciding policies. That is, it helps in determining the marketing plans and policies. And so it facilitates in deciding the extent of advertising. And so the sales forecast is a commitment on the part of the sales department, and it must be achieved during the given period. So the commitment of sales personnel is very essential for sales forecasting. So next importance which is sales forecast helps in preparing production and purchasing schedules. When we are preparing purchasing schedules or production schedules, for this, sales forecast is very essential for the preparation of schedules. And accurate sales forecasting is a very good aid for the purpose of decision making. It helps for decision making, and it helps in guiding marketing, production, and other business activities for achieving these targets. Then, what are the factors considered for sales forecasting? Firstly, competition. To assess the demand, it is the main factor to know about the existing and new competitors and their future program, and quality of their product, sale of their products. Okay, an opinion of the customers about the product of other competitors with reference to the product manufactured by the firm must also be considered. So competition is an essential factor in the case of sales forecasting. Secondly, changes in technology is another factor affecting sales forecasting. To the advancement of technology, new products are coming in the market and the taste and the likings of the consumers changes with the advancement and change of technology. So technological changes greatly affects, in some cases adversely affects sales forecasting. Next is government action. When the government produces or purchases, then depending upon the government policy and rules, the sales of the products are also affected. So government action is also an essential factor or important factor affecting sales forecasting. Next is factors related to the concern itself. That is the factors related to the change in the capacity of the plant, change in the price due to the change in expenditure and change in product mix, etc. These are the factors which is related with the organization or the concern itself. So these are the factors affecting sales forecasting.